This is the worst day ever. Yesterday, I got myself repainted, and I don't want to ruin my lovely green paint with red stripes. Thomas, can you please shunt my coaches? I'm in a horrible mood.
Okay.
Good job,
Sodor.
Sodor.
We don't want to see you a guy.
Shut the hell up.
But Henry, I guess.
The hell? Henry, why the hell aren't you moving?
The rain will spoil my lovely green paint and red stripes.
Want me to tell Sir Topham Hatt?
Fine, what's he going to do about this brick me up? He would never brick up his number 3 engine. I am one of the best.
Henry, I think you're
Shut
stupid.
your twisted mouth up.
Henry in the tunnel? This is very unexpected from him. I think I know which engine to choose. Good afternoon, Alfred, Croven, and Mike.
Afternoon, fat
sir.
ass.
I really need an engine to push Henry out of the ton. Mike, can you be that engine?
Yes, sir, I would certainly love to. Besides me not being out for 12 weeks.
All right then, let's go.
Hi, Henry.
Go drown yourself into a ditch.
Henry, why aren't you moving? People have to be in places.
Why do you have to choose me to take the train? Why not Edward, James, or Gordon?
Everyone get out of the train. 1, 2, 3, pull. My doctor has not let me pull. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, push. My doctor has forbidden me to push. Sorry. Mike, push Henry for us, please.
Yes, sir. I can't do it anymore.
That's it, Henry. If you aren't going to get your tender out of the shed, you will stay here always and always and always.
Wait, what?
I'm serious, Henry. Now I'm going to get Edward and tell him to bring some workmen and brick you up.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm such an idiot. Why did I do this to myself? I wish this never happened.